Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So it's me again, Erina, and welcome back to my channel. So at first I want to say thank you so much for your support because I just reached 500 subscribers in a short time. Thank you so much. Without you guys, I don't think I can make it until like this. Thank you again. So for this time for the video, I've got a request by one person that he asked me, if you go to Pakistan, what the food that you want to eat there. So basically it's quite a hard version because I never been there before.
Okay.
So I don't know the reaction should I tell you guys, but the thing is I will tell you what the food that I want to try when I go there. So at first I really want to try to eat halwa. I don't know, for halwa this is first time I saw it in the video. How they make it. Halwa, they make it from the carrot, and also they put a little bit milk and also a salt, and then they just cook it until it becomes thick. And then after that, after the cooking was done, and they will keep it inside the refrigerator to make it cold. So basically I really like to eat carrot. So when I saw first time that they make the carrot like that, it's like a dessert. So I really want to try it because I don't know how the taste is. So even the recipe is so simple, but I do not dare to make it because I don't know what the outcome will be. So for the second dishes that I want to try is mutton kurma. So basically at Malaysia also have mutton kurma, but I don't know how the taste will be at the Pakistan for mutton kurma, because I know to make a mutton kurma they make a different type of herb, spicy, so everything is it will be different. So I know that absolutely the taste will be different also. So that's why I really want to try mutton kurma. Because why I want to try it, the main thing because I like mutton so much. So the third food that I want to try is of course biryani. I know that it's same like Malaysia also. Malaysia also got biryani. The color also same like at Pakistan. So what made me curious only about the taste, how the taste will be. It will be the same like Malaysia or it will be more better than Malaysia. So I really looking forward to it. And And then number 4 that I really want to try it is shawarma. Basically, I already taste it before here at Malaysia at the got a mama kedai here that sell shawarma. So I don't know the taste are same or not, because this shawarma that I try at mama kedai is made from the Pakistani guy. So basically they put like a kebab or paratha, I'm not sure about it, but they put it with chicken, and then they put fries, and then a little bit vegetables, and then they just put all the season. And the taste that I taste it tastes spicy, sour, and at the same time also got sweet. So for me, shawarma, I really like it because during that time it was my first time eat shawarma, and I don't think that shawarma can taste so good. So if I've got a chance, I really want to eat again because it's also hard to find it here. But at KL, some other place sell it shawarma. So if I really see shawarma again, of course I will eat it again. So the next food I want to see is paratha. Paratha or Paratha. So basically paratha that I know that they eat during the breakfast time. They eat with eggs for the breakfast, or even the dinner time also they eat with fried egg, and they put a little bit salt and they just eat with paratha. So basically here at Malaysia, we hardly eat paratha because usually we eat roti canai for breakfast or even for dinner time. But here for the Pakistan, mostly they prefer more on paratha. So I don't know the paratha will taste like what, but I just know that paratha also made from flour and salt, but I just know what is the difference between paratha and roti canai. So I really want to taste paratha also when I go there. So the next food is samosa. Samosa also is kind of fried food, but I don't know what they put inside the samosa. In turn that they also, I know they put a little bit like chicken or also got meat, but But I don't know what the taste will come, because here at Malaysia also we have a samosa. The shape also same, but I don't know about the taste. So the last one, the food that I want to try is nihari. I know that nihari is made from the meat. The ingredient is based on meat, but I don't know how the outcome will be. So because at Malaysia, I don't think we have a nihari food. So I really want to taste it there. So that's all the food that I really want to taste it for now. And when I go to Pakistan, I really want to taste all these food, because I'm pretty sure Pakistani cuisine also will serve a very good food, very delicious food with a cheap price. That's make me want more to go there, because this is a, I can see this is a good food with a cheap price. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me again and again. I very appreciate it. Thank you. Please support me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Assalamualaikum.